Alright, working on the truck again here. And I got my welder here.
Hey, Tubes.
And he brought some muscle.
Hey, Tubes.
In case we decide to put the bed on. So he's all hooked up. His welder's a little more powerful, so he put that one on there. That's, what is that, 170, buddy?
I believe so.
Yeah, 170 amp. Mine's only 135, so he wanted to get plenty of penetration. So we had to just hook up a 220 wire, because mine's only a 110, so he should be ready to go. Alright. Make me proud of you, buddy.
So far, so good.
Looking good. Looking good.
Is this hole important?
Well, let me see which hole you're talking about. We're bolting these leaf springs back up so we can line everything up first before we weld it. He's tacking that perch in place now, and then I'm going to take that wheel off so it has a little more room. Alright, yeah, we're all welded up here. I didn't want to take any more video. I mean, you guys seen him welding, but check that out. That's why I call in the pros for stuff like this. Good job, buddy. Alright, he just stopped by to do that for me, and I still have to put the U-bolts on this and retighten this and put the shocks on, so I got plenty to do. Where you heading now, buddy?
I don't know, buddy.
Cruising?
Maybe.
Cruising will never get you a bruising.
Take this thing for a ride.
I'll come back in a couple months. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I don't know what I'll be doing, but I'll be doing something. Alright, see you guys.
Take care, buddy.
Alright, I was able to convince my help here to stay. It's going to cost me dinner, though.
Get what you pay for.
Well, I think I get more than I pay for. I can't get over that weld. Look at that weld. Man, oh man. Alright, we got the U-bolts in. I didn't buy new ones. I reuse the same ones. I know you're supposed to get new ones, but you know, it's $50 I can spend somewhere else. I think it'll be okay. I haven't lost an axle yet. How you doing, buddy?
You're getting there, buddy.
Alright.
You're gonna need a breaker bar in a minute.
Alright, I got a breaker bar and a pole here. Let me find it. Alright, it's like we're putting our Monroe Gasmatic shocks on there. One down, one to go. How you making out, buddy?
Doing pretty good.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, it's starting to get dark now. The guys just left. But we got a lot done. We got the axle back on, got the shocks back on. It's all where it belongs now. So, yeah, it was a lot of work, but, you know, them guys helped out a lot. Both of them good guys. So, we would have put the bed back on, but we need 4 guys. I mean, that's, like I said, that diamond plate, whatever that is in there, you know, this that bed's probably twice as heavy as it should be. But I think we're all done. All we gotta do is I think I'm gonna buy new pads for it. It's supposed to be pads back here. I'm gonna buy some pads and we'll put it back on. So, all right. I don't know what else there is to do inside or out here, but for now, I guess we'll call it done. All right. See you guys later.